What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you these Willie G Skull front axle nut covers. These custom die-cast axle nut covers feature the iconic skull design hand-drawn by the legendary Willie G. They add the perfect finishing touch to your custom front end. They are sold in pairs and are super easy to install. Featuring a spring clip mounting system, this enables them to be easily pushed into place. The Willie G skull covers are available in both black and chrome. Check the website to make sure these front axle nut covers are compatible with your touring model Harley-Davidson. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.